Hello everyone, this is your IELTS tutor Rashmi, and in this video I'm going to explain about the way of paraphrasing of double statements. So let's dive in, and again I'm going to show you all the procedure of this by taking examples. So my first example is, some people believe that men and women are equal, and so women should be able to do any job they want. Others feel that men and women are not equal, and therefore there are certain jobs which are not suitable for men. I'm so sorry. Let me explain first what double statement is actually. You people often see the statements and more often you come across such type of statements like some people believe in this thing and the others feel the another thing. There would be two statements, so you have to paraphrase this. So again the same procedure would be followed. First of all, very first thing, replace as many as words as you can with their synonyms. There is no compulsion that you have to paraphrase each and every word. See, I have replaced as many as words I can according to the context. Remember, every synonym is not suitable to replace. It depends upon the context to context and what the situation is, what the talk is about actually. Then the synonym should be chosen accordingly. So in this statement I have chosen a number of people. I have just put synonyms in this. A number of people perceive that both genders are equivalent. Some people believe that men and women are equal. That is replaced. A number of people perceive that both genders are equivalent, and so women should be able to do any job they want, and thus females ought to be allowed to choose their own career. Some people, a number of people perceive men and women, both genders, equivalent. Women, females should be replaced with ought to. This is a formal context, so you could replace should be with ought to be. Able to do any job they want, allowed to choose, should be ought to be allowed to choose their own career. Others feel that men and women are not equal. Other group of people think that since women, let me complete it first. Others feel that men and women are not equal, and therefore there are certain jobs which are not suitable for women. Other group of people, which is replaced with, other group of people think that since women are able to do few occupations, they cannot be treated as co-equal. As I have discussed about the paraphrasing pattern in my previous video, the next step would be changing the word order. If any of you haven't seen my previous video, please go through that first and then go through this one. Must check the another video also. Okay, so the next step would be change the word order. See, I have just changed the word order in the same sentence to make it little different but with the same meaning. So I have started with the females. You could see the red letters. Females ought to be allowed to choose their own career. So I have started with this one. Females ought to be allowed to choose their own career as both genders are equivalent. So, and the one thing I have changed is I have changed the active voice to the passive voice. A number of people perceive active, and this is I have changed into passive voice, which is perceived by a number of people. Now I am connecting these two statements with the connector because these two statements are comparing with each other. So I have put whereas. The next statement would be, other group of people think that since women are not able to do few occupations, they cannot be treated as co-equal. Now you could check what the original statement was. Some people believe that men and women are equal and so women should be able to do any job they want. Others feel that men and women are not equal and therefore there are certain jobs which are not suitable for women. Now the statement which is paraphrased of this one is females ought to be allowed to choose their own career as both genders are equivalent, which is perceived by a number of people, whereas other group of people think that since women are not able to do few occupations, they cannot be treated as co-equal. I hope you understand how double statements can be paraphrased. Let's go to the next example. Next example is, some people think that the range of technology currently available is increasing the gap between rich people and poor people. Others think that it is causing the opposite effect. First of all, let me tell you, rich people and poor people you could replace, but you can use the same words as it is, because actually the statement, question is everything is all about the rich people and the poor people, difference between these things about the related to the technology. So you could use, it is really okay if you are using the same words which is given in the statement once or twice, so that is okay. Okay, next step is replacing with synonyms. So I have replaced, some people think, a number of people perceive that the range of technology currently available is that the variety of ongoing technologies is increasing the gap between rich people and poor people, adds to the space between deficient and affluent people. Others think, other group of society see that it is causing the opposite effect. Other group of society see technology as bringing them together. The opposite effect is means, first statement is that they are adding the space, they are helping to increase the gap between them, right? But the opposite would be that technology helps to bring them together. That means other group of society see technology as bringing them together. Now the next step would be word order change. Now here in this statement I have changed a different structure. In the previous example I have used whereas in between the two sentences. Now I am starting with this one, whereas, while, one has the same meaning here actually. This is the same, this has a similar meaning. So I am using to start, to begin any sentence. It is really okay to start with the comparative. So I have changed this one. So you could also use this structure. You could also imitate this structure in your writing. While it is perceived by a number of people that technology helps to bring deficient and affluent people together. See, I have changed the order, and in this statement I have changed the complete sentence order. So second sentence was like bringing them together. So in this example I have started with the second sentence first. While it is perceived by a number of people that technology helps to bring deficient and affluent people together, other group of society see technology as adding space between them. You can see that in these two examples I have used two different orders. In the first example I have used simple, changing the word order in the single sentence, and in the second example I have shown you that I have used and I have changed the sentence order even. So both ways are correct. You could use either one, any one you are comfortable with. It would be good for your writing score. Changing the word structure, word orders would really benefit in your writing. This shows your understanding of the English language, how much you are comfortable with the language. All right, the next example would be, next question is, some people think that children should start formal education as early as possible, while others think they should not start until they are 7 years old. Next step would be, same steps would be followed in every type of paraphrasing. A few ways would be different. Any way which you are comfortable with, you understand good, you could use in your writing. So in this statement, in this example, I'm now replacing it with synonyms, different words but similar meanings. Some people think, a few people feel that children should start formal education. Juveniles ought to begin their official schooling as early as possible, as soon as possible, while others think, as compared to the other social groups that believe they should not start until they are 7 years old. They should wait until the age of 7. And the next step would be changing the word order. Now in this example, I have used another way of paraphrasing, another structure. As compared to other social groups that believe juveniles should wait until the age of 7 to begin their official schooling, comma, a few people, because these two sentences are different, so I am putting a comma in between these things and just joining these together, because I have started with the comparative as compared to, so I can join these two sentences by only putting a comma in between them. A few people feel that they ought to start as soon as possible. Now you can see the difference, I guess. Some people think, the original statement is, some people think that children should start formal education as early as possible. Some people think that children should start formal education as early as possible, while others think they should not start until they are 7 years old, the original statement. And now the paraphrase statement is, as compared to other social groups that believe juveniles should wait until the age of 7 to begin their official schooling, a few people feel that they ought to start as soon as possible. I hope I made myself clear in this video that how to paraphrase double statements, because most of the times in IELTS exam this type of statement is being given, that two different parts of society are giving their opinions, and these two opinions we need to compare and we need to choose out of these two, and we have to follow the further structure accordingly. But first of all, how to paraphrase double statement. In the previous video I have discussed the single statement, and in this video I have discussed double statements, how to paraphrase, different ways of paraphrasing. There are many more ways how to paraphrase it, but yes, I have discussed out of all some of them, which I really hope I made myself clear and make you people clear and simple way how to do it step by step. If anybody of you have any doubt and feel anything about it, please share it with me in the comments box. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like my video and press a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I would be looking forward to your comments and your appreciation. I really hope so if you like my video, and please keep motivating me to post more videos and discuss with you all people about the IELTS exam in a simpler way. Thank you so much.